Hey everyone, from May 16th to May 20th we've got some exciting celebrations to cover. In this video I'll give you short descriptions of each event, along with perfect gift ideas. And if you love the recommendations, check the links in the description to grab the gifts. Let's jump right in. The 16th of May. First up, it's National Love a Tree Day. Celebrate the beauty and importance of trees. Gift gardening tools, or plant a tree in someone's honor, to show your appreciation for nature. Next, National Mimosa Day. Calls for a toast with this beloved brunch drink. Share mimosa-making kits, or elegant champagne flutes, to elevate the celebration. And lastly, International Day of Light. Highlights the significance of light in science and technology. Gift prism light catchers, or decorative lamps to illuminate someone's day. The 17th of May. National Pack Rat Day. Encourages decluttering and organizing. Gift storage solutions, or motivational decluttering guides, to inspire a fresh start. Next, World Hypertension Day. Raises awareness about maintaining healthy blood pressure. Share fitness trackers, or health-related books, to support wellness. And finally, National Walnut Day. Celebrates this versatile nut. Share gourmet walnut recipes, or snack packs, for a delicious and healthy treat. The 18th of May. International Museum Day. Is all about celebrating culture and history. Gift museum memberships, or tickets to explore fascinating exhibits. Next, National Cheese Soufflé Day. Is a tribute to this delightful dish. Share baking tools, or gourmet cheese kits, for a perfect soufflé experience. And lastly, Visit Your Relatives Day. Encourages quality time with loved ones. Gift family photo frames, or personalized keepsakes, to make the day memorable. Before our last 2 days, enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more videos like this. And share this video with your friends, let them know about. The 19th of May. World Plant a Vegetable Garden Day. Promotes sustainability and fresh produce. Share gardening starter kits, or eco-friendly tools, to inspire green thumbs. Next, National Devil's Food Cake Day. Celebrates this rich chocolate dessert. Gift baking kits, or premium cocoa, for an indulgent treat. And finally, Boys Club Day. Honors the positive impact of youth organizations. Support these groups with donations, or share activity kits for young members. The 20th of May. World Bee Day. Highlights the vital role bees play in our ecosystem. Gift bee-friendly seeds, or honey-themed gifts, to support these essential pollinators. Next, National Rescue Dog Day. Celebrates the love and joy rescue dogs bring. Share pet accessories, or donate to animal shelters, to make a difference. And finally, Eliza Doolittle Day. Celebrates the beloved character from My Fair Lady. Gift theater memorabilia, or books that celebrate her iconic story. And there you have it. Celebrations from May 16th to May 20th, each with a thoughtful gift idea. Be sure to check the links in the description, to purchase any of the featured gifts. Don't forget to watch our daily videos for more of these amazing events. See you tomorrow.